Hey guys, I'm HP, this is Dr. Pink, and welcome to the first blues guitar riff. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button, and also join the HPCrazy Guitar Academy with a free member account or a premium member account. So what are we talking about here? This is the first blues guitar riff you probably want to play and you want to show off, and yeah, that's how it sounds. And so on. I'm gonna show you the basic guitar riff, then also variations for the more advanced players among you. But this riff works great on any jam session, on any guitar duo situation, on any situation where you just play guitar just for yourself. It's really great, and the best thing is you never get tired of it. I'm playing this thing since I began playing guitar, and I still love it. So that's why I call it the first blues guitar riff, because it's the first and the last you will ever play. So let's get started. Alright guys, I'm gonna play with finger picking, but you can also play with the pick. It's really up to you. Personally, I think it's nicer with finger picking, but just to show you, if you play it with the pick, like the first, then you just do it with downstrokes. Okay, so if you do it pick, I will do everything with the downstroke except in the variation, and I'm going to show you later. But I'm going to play with finger picking now. So it's a 12-bar blues in A, meaning 4 bars A, 2 bars D, 2 bars A, 1 bar E, 1 bar D, 1 bar A, 1 bar E. So how can we play this? So this is the riff. This one here. It's really nice. We work with the open string, and we start with on 1, 2, 3, 4, and on 0 on the open E string, 0, 3, and then open string 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 and 2 and 3, 4, and so that's the whole thing. Now we have the open A string, then we slide here. This is a kind of an A9. We slide here from the 4th fret, is 4, 5, 5 up to 7, and slide back. Okay? That makes it sound really smooth. Well, you can also do it like this. You can also play the lower chord again, but then it will not sound so smooth. The better is slide up and down. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 and 2 and 3, 4. We play that 4 times. If you want to do a variation, I would do that. But first you have to have the basics down. Since you play the thing 4 times, it's cool to have a variation. I will do this. You go here with the pinky here, the 5th fret, and add this A. Okay? If you want to do that with the pick, that one I will do with an upstroke. That will be that one I would do with an upstroke, because then you're ready again to continue the riff. See? And then back to the beginning. So, but I'm continuing now with finger picking. Now we play that 4 times. What you also can do add some vibrato. I would recommend this either with the fingers or press against the guitar with your arm and create it like this. It's always good to always work on your tone. You know, the tone of the guitar doesn't come by itself. It's you, the player, who makes the tone. So, see, you have a vibrato here. You don't have much time, but you have time to quickly do it. Okay, these one have 4 bars A. Now we go to D. We move the whole thing up 1 string. We start on the open A string, open D string, and now now you slide from 5 to 7 and back. And now comes the thing, which finger shall you choose? I cannot tell. You can take the one you like. Probably the index finger is the easiest one. Especially when we do the variation, which is then more for advanced players. When you want to go up in the 10th fret with the pinky here, then I would do it with the index finger. If you don't do the variation, then I probably would take the ring finger. Maybe this, well, if you do it just with one finger, it's a bit tough that the slide really comes nicely. What you can do if it doesn't work so nice, you can do, then you just do like this and an attack again. But as I said, then it won't sound so smooth. So the D part is, wait, I don't want to do variations. And same again, if you have time, do the vibrato. If you don't do the variations, you can do the vibrato. So then a simple first blues guitar riff starts to sound really sophisticated if you do these little gimmicks. I mean, as I said, I still love this thing, but I always do these little gimmicks. And that makes it sound more like whoa, okay? So 2 bars D, back to A again, same thing again. Then it goes 1 bar E. That's really simple, open E string. And now we slide up from 7 to 9, back. Then to D, as before, and then the ending is A5, 1, and then we the really classic ending lick, but it still sounds great. Even if you played it 100,000 times, it still sounds great. So, but you can make it sound more special. You slide in here, really slide in here from like for 5 till 9, make vibrato. See, now it sounds really cool instead of just you make. In triplets are 3 per note, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. So all the married people among you probably needed to do the waltz on your day of marriage. That's triplets are waltz. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Oops. And then we go to open E string, and then we slide in to 4, 4. And that's now the ending. I'm going to play the whole thing now with the backing track. It's cooler with the backing. It works as solo guitar. It works in a guitar duo. It works with the band. Whatever you want. It's really cool. you can start a soloing, and it really opens up the whole thing for a cool solo. In this case, in the A minor pentatonics. You don't have to do much, because the whole thing carries the tune so much that you can really play a spacey blues guitar solo. Yo guys, that was the first blues guitar riff, and probably you agree and think, yeah, that's really cool. I can say this one was pretty much the first I could play, and I started at the age of 20 to play guitar, and till today I'm soon old and crusty. I still enjoy this thing so much, and you never get tired of it. You always find a little new way to play it, and it's so classic, it's so iconic. And while changing a thing which really works, but try to make it your own. That's maybe the secret to keep a thing going on for such a long time. Yo. Good. If you want to download the tabs plus this backing track which I created for you, it's available in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. Please join there. Also, please join there to support the channel here and the work I'm doing for you. I also make newsletters there and have more stuff I'm doing there. It's worth joining there. If you want to download the stuff, a premium membership is required. Even if you're not a regular watcher of my videos, please support my work with a premium membership upgrade. Good. What are me and Dr. Pink having to say? We play a little bit for you to end this nice tutorial here.